Charcoal grilling and smoking just got smarter. The ProTemp S1 and Breezo Fan combo, you can upgrade your current grill to full automation, ensuring steady temperatures and precise control for a more enjoyable cooking experience. Let's see how to connect them. First, switch on the ProTemp S1 and pair it with your phone through the ChefsTemp app. This is the first essential step for setting up your system. Next, connect the Breezo Fan to a power source or a power bank using the original adapter and cable provided. The Breezo Fan acts as a signal receiver, wirelessly receiving instructions from the ProTemp S1 as soon as it's powered on. You don't need a cable to connect the ProTemp S1 to the Breezo Fan. The fan is controlled wirelessly by the S1 for a hassle-free setup. The Breezo Fan has a button to switch between manual mode and off mode. You could switch between different wind levels or in off mode. If you're using the app to control the fan, make sure it's set to off mode first. Now, open the ChefsTemp app and go to the fan settings. From here, you can control the Breezo Fan wirelessly by selecting either temperature mode to maintain a target temperature or timer mode to run the fan for a set duration. And that's pretty much it. With the ProTemp S1 and Breezo Fan, you can enjoy precise control and steady temperatures for your charcoal grilling or smoking. For more tips and product info, visit our website or subscribe to our channel. And happy grilling.